This is dog number 4569 at Gaston County Animal Control. And holy moly, did this big boy just run me. Whew. He's gorgeous. He's awesome. I think he's a lab boxer mix, and I'm saying boxer based on the shape of his face and his jowls. Young male, intact. And I can tell you he is a door dasher. It's a good thing there was an ACO standing there when I tried to get him out of the run, because I almost lost him. He just muscled his way right past me. But he's a good boy. Can touch him all over, can pretty much do anything to him. There were some very young toddlers at the park, and he really, really liked them. And if I knew the dog and if I knew the toddlers, I'd probably let him say hi. But he's high energy, and he's jumping. He was jumping all over me, so he's probably a little too much for toddlers right now. He needs somebody who can train him. So look at him standing there. He's so regal. It's beautiful. Let's see if we can get his face. Hey, pup. Pup, pup, pup. Come here. There's that face. Hi. Yeah, big boy. You know, he's still young in that he has no idea how strong he is. He's all wrapped up in a leash. Come here. Good. Good. There we go. Oof. Oh. Yeah, he's a little crazy. I'm so tired. He really ran me. And he's not even done yet. He is ready to go. Intact male. Energy to spare. If we could get some of that energy. But, yeah, so I'm going to say confirmed door dasher. Super sweet dog. Can really do anything to him. Very hyper. Lots of energy right now. He'd be excellent for a jogger, runner. Somebody who wants to ride their bike with their dog. He would be great for that because he's just go, go, go. I'm trying to get a shot of that face so you can see why I'm thinking boxer. I'm going to call him a boxer lab mix. He's a big boy. He's tall. Looks like he needs to fill out a little bit, so he's probably done growing up. Just needs to grow out. He's 4569, Gaston County Animal Control in Dallas, North Carolina.